my name is Shirley. Most people know me online as Little Miss Bento. I love to use food to create cute art pieces such as lunch boxes and many other sort of stuff. So I started making bentos to prepare lunch for myself, and I wanted to do something different, so I started to make character designs inside the lunch boxes. Essentially, my experience in comms gave me a very good leverage in terms of doing social media work and branding myself. So I think that was a good start for me. I love all my bentos, but one of my favorite has to be the one in 2014. I did a kimono seaweed cutting lunchbox.